I love when life unfolds like this. My intuition came through today to send a client that I saw yesterday my voice repeating the mantra that I had given her. So I listened, I adhered, I sent. I did my workout, I came back, and she had texted me, "How did you know? That's exactly what I needed to hear. My car was literally getting towed as you sent that in." And that mantra is actually specifically to help her through moments like this. So this is a testimonial to the type of coaching. I am my own testimony to the tools because I've practiced the tools. I've lived it. I've healed this way. And I want you to be able to slow down enough and trust yourself again to listen to the inner voice, whether you call it God or your soul or your spirit or your inner self, to listen and to hear. It is your inner guidance.